كلمة bounce 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 وتعني أن يرتد أو أن يقفز. For example, the ball bounced on the field. The ball bounced on the field. The rabbit bounces across the field. The rabbit bounces across the field. The frog bounces from rock to rock. The frog bounces from rock to rock. كلمة bound 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 وتعني مقيد أو ملزم بشيء ما. For example, his hands were bound tightly. His hands were bound tightly. He felt bound to help his friend. He felt bound to help his friend. The contract is bound by law. The contract is bound by law. كلمة book 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 وتعني أن يحجز. For example, I need to book a hotel room. I need to book a hotel room. I need to book a dentist appointment. I need to book a dentist appointment. Did you book an appointment with the doctor? Did you book an appointment with the doctor? كلمة bowl 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 وتعني وعاء. For example, the bowl is on the table. The bowl is on the table. He placed the fruit in the bowl. He placed the fruit in the bowl. The bowl fell and broke. The bowl fell and broke. كلمة break 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 وتعني فترة استراحة. For example, I need to take a break from work. I need to take a break from work. They needed a break after walking for 4 hours. They needed a break after walking for 4 hours. He spent his break reading a book. He spent his break reading a book. كلمة brain 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 وتعني الدماغ. For example, the human brain is very complex. The human brain is very complex. The brain is the center of thought. The brain is the center of thought. The brain communicates with the body through nerves. The brain communicates with the body through nerves. كلمة branch 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 وتعني فرع. For example, the bird sat on a tree branch. The bird sat on a tree branch. The branch of the bank is near my house. The branch of the bank is near my house. The company opened a new branch downtown. The company opened a new branch downtown. كلمة brave 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 وتعني شجاع. For example, the soldier was brave in the battle. The soldier was brave in the battle. He was brave enough to chase his dreams. He was brave enough to chase his dreams. He was brave in the face of danger. He was brave in the face of danger. كلمة bread 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 وتعني خبز. For example, he always eats bread for breakfast. He always eats bread for breakfast. The bread basket was full. The bread basket was full. كلمة bet 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 وتعني يراهن على. For example, I bet you will learn English if you study these words. I bet you will learn English if you study these words. Do you want to bet who will win this game? Do you want to bet who will win this game? I bet you can't climb. I bet you can't climb. كلمة beneath 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 وتعني تحت شيء ما. For example, the cat is sleeping beneath the table. The cat is sleeping beneath the table. The roots grow beneath the soil. The roots grow beneath the soil. The river flows beneath the bridge. The river flows beneath the bridge. كلمة beer 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 وتعني أن يتحمل أو أن يتكبد. For example, I have a headache. I cannot bear the pain. I have a headache. I cannot bear the pain. Can you bear this responsibility? Can you bear this responsibility? The ship can bear strong waves. The ship can bear strong waves.